Hello, hello, and thank you so much for joining me here once again. My family is visiting this weekend before I travel next couple of weeks, and I thought to just do a simple salad for the second Friday in Lent. So today I'm making a lemon bulgur salmon salad. And the ticking sound that you're hearing is my granddaughter sitting right next to me as I edit this video, and she's playing with her tablet. The reason why I chose bulgur wheat as the base for the salad is, as you can see, it is quite easy to use. So basically what I did is I placed a cup of bulgur into a bowl, and then I just filled it with 2 cups of warm water and let it sit for about an hour, and strained it, and it was ready to go. No cooking needed for this base. My travel in the upcoming 10 days is to the southern region, where I'll be visiting family, um, but I'll also be sorting out where I'll probably be moving in the next maybe year and a half. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to newness in my life, perhaps a longer growing season. Yeah, it's a good thing. And now I'll be adding the cooked salmon, and then lemon juice, maple syrup, bit of salt and black pepper, and it's good to go. to top it all off, a bit of olive oil. And such a lovely meal for the second Friday in the Lenten season. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening, and I'll see you soon.